Hello, staff. This video is to address some of your concerns about the ethical use of resources in lesson planning. Some of your concerns were, when should I be concerned that what I'm doing isn't fair use? How do I know if a source can be modified? And how do I give credit for work that I borrow from an online source? Well, first of all, fair use allows for the use of copyrighted material for educational purposes, but it still should not affect the creator's ability to profit from their work. So avoid copying and distributing complete works or showing copyrighted media with no lesson plan. In these examples, the first instructor made copies of a section of a copyrighted textbook and then sent it home with students. This is preventing the creators of that textbook from profiting from either the students or the school system purchasing those textbooks. In the second example, where an instructor uses lyrics from popular songs to teach students about poetic elements, the teacher is just using portions of the lyrics for those specific examples. In this case, even though the song lyrics are copyrighted, what this instructor is doing is protected under fair use. If you're not sure, New Media Rights, which is a nonprofit organization, created an informational app that can help you consider factors of fair use as they relate to your lesson. There's a link to the tool in your handout. So understanding what specific license is protecting the material you want to use will help you avoid violating copyright law. Original content published in any form, including online, is automatically covered by copyright under a level of protection called all rights reserved. So only the original creator can use, share, or modify the content. To use it, you need permission from the creator, or you need to ensure that your use falls under fair use, as previously discussed. However, see if there's a different license for the material that you're using other than the default. There's a number of other licenses that allow for certain levels of sharing and modification that may be protecting the content that you want to use. Finally, when you're using copyrighted material in your lessons plans, it's important that you give credit to the original creator of that work. In this presentation, you've seen examples of work that's been cited appropriately. So copyrighted works that I took words or ideas from for this presentation are cited in the slide as well as in a reference slide at the end of the presentation. The photo on the previous slide has a Creative Commons license, and so I cited that using the recommended TASL, or Title, Author, Source, and License, which is recommended in the best practices by Creative Commons. And then finally, the slides template in this presentation is copyrighted as well. It came specifically with instructions on how to use the slides template without violating copyright. When in doubt, assume the content that you're referencing is copyrighted. Thank you. Does anybody have any questions?